Okay, here's another quick little tip, how to, and reason why. This is for you generator users out there. Not inverter generators. This is regular generators. This little piece right here is what they call the brushes, the brush assembly. There are two of them usually. This particular one is the type that fits most of the brush type generators, and that broken part is not the way how they look. This is how they're supposed to look. It's supposed to be even and flat. Now this is where the brush assembly gets installed, and you see that goldish looking thing in there. There's two of those parts where those two brushes make contact, right there and right there. You need to clean those things with sandpaper. Take your sandpaper and with the engine switch in the off position, grab a hold of the starter rope, put your finger on one end and push down onto those parts and pull until it's nice and clean. And then reinstall like this. I know this isn't a perfect video, but it might help some users trying to figure out why they lost power and their generator is still running. Positives on the left and negatives on the right. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.